Hey everyone, it's Super Review System here, and today I'm excited to talk about a brand new software that claims to bring you free traffic on YouTube in just 30 seconds. The software is called Nexus, and it promises to help you get more views and subscribers by using human-like AI bots that work on autopilot. In this review, I'm going to dive deep into this software and tell you whether it's true or just a scam and whether it's worth your investment or not. Plus, I'll be giving away some amazing bonuses that are worth over $1,100 plus for those who purchase through my link. So stay tuned. So according to the sales page, Nexus is the perfect side hustle for 2023 powered by AI, and they claims that it's a set and forget human-like AI bots that exploits YouTube for free traffic in 30 seconds, and it's resulting in $20 to $30 payments for the creators over 24/7. And the best part is, it doesn't require any tech skills, no video creation, and no being on camera. It's an AI bot gets hundreds of free visitors, and I think here's Nexus is focusing more on free traffic methods because it knows that beginners do not have much money to invest in, and with this it resulting in $20 to $30 payments every hour with no video creation. And the great thing is it's fueled by ChatGPT-4 and OpenAI, which you probably know that they are the revolutionary AI technology on the planet. Nexus comes with 365 days money-back guarantee, and in which you get results or get full refund along with extra $250 for spending your precious time. Here are some of the screenshots of earnings probably made with this software. And it's easy to use. You just need to grab a copy of Nexus through the link given in description box and then do the necessary setup, for which complete video training will be given inside the members area, and then activate it. Boom! You are all set to make money. And it's important to note that, if you purchase Nexus through the link given below in the description box, you will get my exclusive bonuses worth $1,100. So don't miss this chance, because if you made your mind to purchase Nexus, then it's not good to leave these amazing bonuses. So now I'll take you through a quick demo for this software where you will get an idea about how this software works. But before that, let me quickly show you all of my exclusive bonuses which you will get today if you purchases Nexus through my link. The special bonus number 1 is Backlinks Builder, through which you can create lot of backlinks for your website and rank it on search engine, and it worth $199. Next special bonus number 2 is ChatBees, which makes ChatGPT-like chatbots for you, and you can make money by selling chatbot app services. And it worth $197. And let's quickly tell you rest of the bonuses which you can check after this video through link given in description. Special bonus 3 is Endgame 2.0, worth $297. Special bonus number 4 is AI 30K, which worth $197, and last but not least, special bonus 5 named Flex, which worth $247. All these bonuses worth more than $1,100, which you will get today for free if you make a purchase through my link. And one last thing, if you want to claim these bonuses, then just send the purchase receipt of Nexus on the given email superreviewsystem@gmail.com, and I will provide you access to all the bonuses within 24 hours. So let's go through the demo of Nexus members area without wasting a second. So here's back. So what I understand is, it's a software from which you can make YouTube videos and YouTube shorts just by entering the keyword, and it will provide you pre-made videos. Also, you can get hashtags to use in these videos to improve the ranking on YouTube and get more views. Along with this, it also comes with a chatbot where you can ask questions, and also you can make scripts for your videos. And when it comes to traffic, it comes with a system where you can connect 100 plus social media platforms and can send the same video to all of your social media profiles with just one click, and you not need to upload it on each platform one by one. And you can also get traffic from there. So to conclude it, Nexus is AI-powered software that eases the process of making YouTube videos and shorts, and you can send these videos to all of your social media accounts with just one click. So it's the complete review of Nexus, and again, don't forget to check out my exclusive bonuses by clicking on the link given in the description. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to buy this software, then click on the link given in description and you will be redirected to my exclusive bonuses page where you can click here to get Nexus with $1,100 plus bonuses. And don't forget to send the purchase receipt on the email given on that page. If you find this review helpful, then please subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get regular notification about new reviews. It really supports me to make better reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.